We got 40% off still this upcoming weekend. 50% off almost everything at this Foot Locker outlet. Then they do got these. They got more of these. Holy cow. Look what one of the workers found for me. Look at this. Look at this. They're pricing these right now. And every time they've had cleats, they've been 50 off. Out in East LA, saw a line 5 minutes before. Pretty decent line already. Came here hoping for two things. Do got 40% off still this upcoming weekend. Then I heard some of the glow greens are hella cheap. They don't have them here though, dang it. Not really finding much, $80. These are going for $125. These are 9.5. Jordan 1s. Dang, they're all $110. These are going for $140. These are down to $60 up to size 9.5 women. If y'all been watching for a while, y'all know what happened. It is what it is. They did have the bread 11s there. The velvet bread 11s, whatever. Let's go to the Foot Locker outlet, see what's up there. Didn't miss out on too much content because they've had 40% off for a couple weeks now, so everything was picked, man. Everything was picked. Same fools pretty much go there every day, so yeah, there really wasn't much to show you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, 50% off almost everything at this Foot Locker outlet. I hate coming here. I was told I missed out on a few things. I was like, God dang it. Apparently they had a bunch of retros. They did say the 50% off is working for these right here, as well as these SEs right here with the amazing material. $135, so that's what, $67.50. Then they have the playoff sixes too. You got the playoff sixes? Size 11. I doubt they have a size 10. I might have to grab these. I might have to grab them. Yeah, because these would be $100. All right, I did talk to the staff here. Yeah, they said these aren't included, but these are. So two OGs right here go for $90. $90 right here. Remember, you can use your points too. You can't use the survey coupons, but you can use points. And we'll go through all the stuff on the sales tables. Look at this though. I've never seen these box. Never seen this box. This box is freaking awesome. Holy crap. The Cheetos, the hot Cheetos. Holy cow. I did not realize that this stuff is this awesome. Holy cow. And hot Cheetos, pretty much the best chip out there, right? What chip is better than hot Cheetos, really? Got the Puma emblem on it. Fools dunking. This is dope. This is dope. Calories, nah. Not gonna lie, man. These things are, dang, dude. I kind of want this for the box, for the whole presentation, and the fact that I love hot Cheetos. Man, these are fire, dude. These are fire. The whole presentation's just really making me like these even more than I do. Man, these are sick, dog. These are sick. Holy cow. Yeah, man, I'm a huge fan of that presentation. These go down to $45. And they got bigger sizes, 10.5, 11, 12, 13s for $45 freaking dollars. Of course, gotta check out the apparel section. This is the wall where you get 75% off. I heard I missed out on the backpacks. They had the backpacks for even cheaper. Even cheaper. It's down to under $30. The Nike backpacks, the Nike RPMs. Oh man, I'm so mad. They have them on the Foot Locker website for $42 right now. I don't need them for $42 though. But for under $30, yeah, I would have grabbed one. I would have grabbed one for myself. I already grabbed one for my kiddo for next year because he really likes those backpacks. But you know, he's rough with his backpacks. You know, high school kids, they be throwing stuff. $55. Remember, this is an extra 75% off. What are these right here? Got some track pants. $85 for track pants. Trying to see if I can find some sweats for my kiddo. With this two-tone one, swoosh high athletics, 80 freaking bucks. What's up with this one right here? Just all black. I was like, all black? That's what's up. Double XL though, dang it. So that won't fit my kiddo or I. All these other ones just way too bright, but remember, 75 off, $60, 75 off, $15. Still got some of the LeBron hoodies. LeBron, did that fool get 3 triple doubles in a row, by the way, this past week. Pretty crazy. 75 off of those. Still got a few more of the Pro Standard pants right here. $100 freaking dollars. All you old farts out there, y'all like Simpsons. I grew up with Simpsons. I'm such a fan, dude. Haven't watched it in a while, but just too busy. $28. What was that, $7? $7? $7 effing dollars. That is a size medium. And they got all kinds of other random stuff. A lot of Locker brand stuff. Locker brand, telling you, man. They use some good material on it to get 75 off. Not bad. New Balance right here. New Balance jacket. It is a small. $25. So what's that, 32 bucks, something like that? 32.25, I don't know. 32.75, I don't know. All right, let's see what's going on in the men's section back here. And I saw this at Ross recently, right? And this is cheaper here, freaking cheaper here. Bryce Harper's, if it didn't all that glitter stuff, I definitely would grab these because I do need some Under Armours. Do need Under Armours. And then they do got these, they got more of these. Holy cow. Can't believe they got more of these. $35 for these. Are you effing serious? Holy cow. Does that one say Foot Locker exclusive? I don't think that's a Foot Locker exclusive. Right? They've had the all white ones other places, but $40, that's definitely cheap as hell. AJKOs, I don't know if that's included. I know the 2 still are not included. Got Superstars, even with the embossing and all that stuff on it. Got Shaq Victories. Got Asics. Trae Young's right here. Got Puma Romas, top 10s right here, Gil Zeros, all going for 25 freaking dollars. That is just crazy. Do got trainers right here. Do got trainers. These are pretty freaking dope for, what's it, $32.50? As well as Air Max 90s for $32.50. These RSX right here, Puma RSX, these are definitely interesting. Same price. And then Christmas just around the corner, so such a great spot to just pick up sneakers for people who are like not necessarily sneakerheads. You know what I'm saying? $20. $20 for Chuck All-Stars. $17.50. $17.50, $30 for these. So what, 15 bucks? You know what I'm saying? Like, people just need clean sneakers. That's how I started collecting sneakers. I was just like, hey, why do people wear clean shirts, have like 50 shirts, but only have 4 pair of sneakers? That makes no sense. So I was just buying clean sneakers at the very beginning just so I can have something clean on feet. And then it turned into this stupid addiction where I got 500 pair of sneakers. But $10 for these, like, this is just crazy. Chancletas, human race chancletas. I still cannot believe those are 35 effing dollars. Holy cow. Holy cow. And I'm still such a fan of these. These are so, this box is so freaking dope. All right, let's see what's going on with the women's section right here. I was checking to see if they have any additional colors of NMDs because I'm still buying stuff for my workers. Got a month and a half left? Month and change. But yeah, do got Air Force Ones. I don't know if these are on sale. The Air Forces have been a hit or miss with the 50% off. Some have been 50 off, some haven't been. Like I've mentioned in the past, it's random. They do have a few things that are not 50 off. I'm pretty sure these are not 50 off right here. Most Jordans and most Dunks are, but random things are not. Like these 2s, these have definitely been 50 off. As well as those. And most of the Jordan 1s, as we've seen in the past, as well as earlier in this video. Air Max DNs. 99% sure these are 50% off, so grabbing these for what, $85? Okay. NMDs right here go for $70, $90 for these. Converse go for $25. As well as Pumas, Suede's go for 25 bucks. Really? Really? Wow. Wow. Got more Converse going for 15. RDBs down to 20 and 25. Pretty decent women's section right here, especially 50% off almost everything. So on the left side of the men's section right there, everything's already discounted. Then you get another 50 off on top. The right side right here, everything's quote unquote regular price, but you still get 50% off almost everything. That includes these Air More Tempos, GT Hustles. These are the Hustle 2s, right? Even the Air More Up Tempo colorway of the Hustles. GT Academies, LeBrons right here. LeBrons, these are down to $100. I got mine for hella cheap, but that's gonna be tough to find it for that price. Even these Pumas right here. I was gonna grab these for my kiddo because I got him the Ferrari jacket, but I think I'm gonna be patient. These are $60 though, $60. Not bad, not bad at all. Got some older Currys. Which ones are these? The Curry 4s. These are the Flotros. So they did do a midsole upgrade on these, better technology. 130, get 50 off. Phantom 2 or the Phantom 3 SEs right here. So those are 140, 50 off of that. If you need running shoes, they got Adrenalines, which are one of Brooks' top of the lines. 140 for these. That goes down to $70 right there. Even these leathers right here, the classic nylon leathers. They do have Foot Locker brand right here. Like this, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't bad. For $10? For $10, you need something to match with a certain color. You know what I'm saying? Just grab one of these. Oh, I think these are the bigger ones. Why didn't I get this for my kid? I should have gotten one of these for my kid, but I think I'm good with sweats for now. All kinds of shorts right here. If you got the Weathermans or something, grab one of these. Man, these are down to $20. They got fleece, they got this basketball material, they got all kinds of Locker brand shorts. This is the cheapest we've ever seen these. $115. $115 for the LeBron 4s. These are freaking tanks. And $115, that's cheap because these came out for what, $240? $240. Yeah, not bad, dude. Talk to you guys about buying stuff off season. They do have shorts. Still got the Tech Fleece here. Still got the Tech Fleece. It is above the knee. I was just telling someone, like, above the knee I don't do, but I'm so short. A lot of the stuff does come right to the knee for me, which is good. $35 for these. I see a bunch of XLs. They got these Jordan shorts right here with netted pockets, netting on the pockets. I don't know, it's kind of weird. $35 for those. They got shorts right here. Nike shorts, I'll go for 50 off. What's this? What's this? Green Glow fleece right here. These are men's? These are men's? I thought these were women's. Oh, really? But yeah, it's 50 off, whatever the price is. I kind of like these All City ones. The glitter kind of ruins it for me. If it was just black and white, I probably would grab it, but the glitter does kind of ruin it for me. But it is 50 off. The price is $50, so 25 for those. Material on these are really good, dude. The Hustler ones right here for 50 off. Tie-dye Jordans right here. Go for 30 after the savings. I also got Crocs. Go for hella cheap. I've talked to you guys about these a million times. $25. Get 50 off. And I think a majority of these you do get the 50 off. So 25 for the newer style right there. Got these platform ones down here. Go for 20 a piece. Got hats right here. I don't see any crazy fitted hats and stuff like that, but Clipper hats go for, oh, I thought these were Clipper. Bulls hats right here. Clipper hats also go for $10. These are trucker hats right here. And then do got these snapbacks right here. These are $37, 50% off. Also got fitted hats up there. Got a bunch of different sizes. And the fitted hats up top. These are 44, so $22. Bunch of red fitted hats. Seeing if I missed anything that's in the middle section right here that I didn't show you guys on the wall. These Adidas right here, they look like towel material right here. $20 for those bad boys. These Filas right here with whatever character that is. $15 for those. More of the Converse right here. Got some Reeboks right here. 40 freaking dollars. Trey Youngs for 30. Tons and tons and tons of Mellows. These are all like, what, $30 or something like that? Yeah, some of them are 40, I guess. Okay, but yeah, they got plenty. Are these all the old gold ones? Why can't I tell? These are gold ones right here? Okay. So just so you guys know, the gold one's going down to $50, okay. And then guess what one of the workers found in the back? Look at this. One of them found one of these sitting around, and it is on sale, big time on sale. So we're gonna see how much this comes out to. So I heard the price is hella crazy. Hella crazy. Dude, look. They're pricing these right now. And every time they've had cleats, they've been 50 off. So I think these MSRP are 140. So they're 70 and below. They might be cheaper. I have a feeling they're gonna be cheaper. But yeah, they just got these and they're about to price them right now. I'm always nosy, try to get everything. These are dope. I don't think I've seen these. These are dope, dude. Holy cow. They're about to put these up. Look at this. Look at this. I think most of them are 50 off. So yeah, so if you get here, just ask, because yeah, $50 for all these. The lows and the highs are the lows and the mids, same price, huh? That's interesting. But yeah, $50 for all these. Pretty dope. Yo, these came out ridiculously cheap. Apparently I had a $10 flex point thing, whatever. So I got it for $10 off. I think I paid $21 after tax. Kind of freaking crazy, especially since I paid $92 for my kids. I think 92 plus tax. I think I damn near paid $100. And then I just grabbed these for $21. This was the last one. They happened to have one in the back, which is pretty dope. Damn, came up. All right, I think I'm out. I think I'm gonna have to hit up a few Ross on the way home. But yeah, I grabbed these for so freaking cheap. Holy cow. Trying to remember if I parked on the side or the back. Look, they finally put them out. Finally, it's just like 2 minutes later. They did bring them out. So they do got them here. $50 for cleats. Y'all need cleats?